Good afternoon, everybody. Jason from Blue Weather. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily updates here in Blue Weather on YouTube. Now into the system that's possible at the end of the week. The National Weather Service Hurricane Center now has upgraded this afternoon the possibility of that system forming into something to 70%. This from AccuWeather, they're talking about how with the absence of strong wind shear and warmer than normal waters in the Gulf, very perfect time for that storm to grow if it gets down into those warm waters. And if it does form into a tropical system, it will be called Barry. Now let's look here at the GSF legacy model. You can see here this is shown on early Sunday morning, Saturday night, Sunday morning. It does show it down here in the Gulf developing. This also on the German Icon model, showing it down there in Louisiana, Texas area. This is the Canadian model, also shows it down in the Gulf. Not shown on this video is the run of the European. That's not out yet when I did this video, but most normally that's the most accurate one we'll go by, will be the European model. But these was just a few slides I wanted to show you on it. As you can tell here, this was from the National Hurricane Center. This is only showing a couple models here, but it kind of gives you an idea how it comes down south into the Gulf there, and kind of the models are kind of suggesting that it might go over towards Louisiana and Texas at that point, but right now we don't have much model data to go off of. And last but not least, from the National Hurricane Center, for what data they do have posted, you could see from two of these three models that they have posted here that within the next 48 hours it could possibly be a tropical storm, and then within the next 96 hours on these two models reaching wind knot speeds of 50 to 55 knots. That's all I have for now. We'll have more updates later. And you need to really take heed of this if you're in the Gulf or even the East Coast. You never can rule it out. But if you're down in the Gulf, one thing's for sure, I'm sure there's going to be heavy rains out of this, even if it didn't form into a hurricane. So just keep tuned in here, Blue Weather. Like I said, subscribe to this so you can keep getting updates. I appreciate your support.